There are several ways to make money online in 2023, such as starting a blog or website and monetizing it through advertising, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content, creating and selling online courses or ebooks, dropshipping or starting an e-commerce store, selling products or services on marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy, creating and monetizing social media content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, affiliate marketing with online platforms, online tutoring or teaching, starting a podcast and monetizing through sponsorships or advertising, becoming a virtual assistant or web developer, trading cryptocurrencies or participating in online investments. It's important to remember that making money online takes time and effort and often requires a specific set of skills or knowledge. It's important to do research and find a method that aligns with our interests and abilities.